For webmasters, the .htaccess file is a very important tool for controlling their websites. It can display user-friendly error messages, include password restrictions, divert visitors, block access from specific IP addresses, and so on. To provide all of these features on Apache-based web servers, the webmaster must be well versed in all of the options and understand how to develop and use an HTACSS file. They can approach to developer as well. Toolsplice can generate HTACSS file for you. A.htaccess tool is offered on toolsplice.com to execute a redirect from non-www to www or from www to non-www. Go to https://toolsplice.com/htaccess redirect generator. There are two options: www to non-www redirection, non-www to www redirection. The first option is the default choice. Press Get HTACSS Code button. In fraction of seconds you will be able to get code which you can copy in your HTACSS file. Link of the tool is in description below. Please like, share and subscribe. Turn the notification on for daily update on new tools for your successful online journey.